Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. My name is Miriam, but you can call me Mimi, and I'm a natural hair content developer and YouTuber. Please do well to subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how I make my Ayurvedic hair mask using coconut milk, aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, and of course Ayurvedic herbs. So as most of you know, I incorporated Ayurveda into my routine. Well, I'm not new to Ayurveda. I use Ayurveda off and on, but I decided to use Ayurveda consistently for the next 3 months because I want to see a change in my hair, in the texture, the length, the overall health and everything. And so far it's been amazing because okay, let me just list just few things I noticed about my hair so far. First of all, the most important thing, shedding. My hair used to shed sometimes, you know, when your hair is dry and then it starts to shed. One major thing I've noticed is that my hair doesn't shed anymore. Like, if for any reason I lose hair when I'm combing my hair, is really minimal, completely negligible. Also, I noticed that my curls are now very defined. Like, you will see the natural definition of my curls. I don't even think I've seen my curls so defined. Like, without any product, my hair is just coily and it's amazing and beautiful. That's one fantastic thing I've noticed about Ayurveda. Also, the overall health of my hair. My hair is stronger now. My hair is fuller, although I naturally have very full hair, but my hair is fuller. Well, that's not bad, right? And I'm still watching out for the length. I think that will probably take a little more time, so let's see how it goes. So guys, let me just jump right in and show you how I make this mask. This mask was so good. It was so moisturizing. If you try this recipe, please do well to tag me on Instagram at _mimiocharles and let me know how this recipe was on your hair. So let's dive right into the video and let me show you how I produced it. Hey guys, so this is my hair after applying the Fenugreek mask, and you can see how my hair already looks saturated with moisture. I think that the coconut milk and the aloe vera gel are doing a serious number on my hair right now. Like, this is so different from the other Ayurvedic masks I've used, because those ones don't make your hair, as in when I apply the masks, right, the previous ones, my hair doesn't feel like heavy with saturation. Like, if you can look at my hair looks like, literally looks heavy, right? That's because it is so moisturized, right? Like, you have no idea. The aloe vera gel, the coconut milk, I think I'm just going to like keep including them in my Ayurvedic mask going forward. I mean, you learn every day, right? So I am so loving my hair right now. I'm just going to put on my shower cap, then I'm going to wear the steaming cap and steam my hair for 1 hour, and then I'm going to wash off my hair. I like this. I really like. I wish you guys could like see or feel my hair right now. My hair is so happy. When I was applying this mask, I noticed that it was really defining my curls. Like, it was defining my curls. That is one very big thing I've noticed since I started using Ayurveda. Like, my curls are so defined. I love it. So guys, let me just go wash it and wear my steaming cap. I'm going to shower now. I'm going to wear my steaming cap and I'm going to steam my hair later. Hey guys, so I just finished washing my, or rather rinsing off the deep conditioner from my hair, or the Ayurvedic mask. The time now is 12:48 a.m. Like, I'm so tired, so I'm just going to do like a very quick, see my hair. So the downside to doing Ayurveda is that you usually have particles stuck in your hair. So what I do to get rid of the particles in my hair is that after I rinse out the mask, I then go in with regular conditioner. So like, I like this section, probably like just put conditioner, then use my comb, my white tooth comb, to comb it. That like helps the particles to drop. Although it doesn't get rid of all the particles, it helps in reducing the particles a lot. Like, you can't even see, I can feel like very little particles, but barely. I'm just going to use this deep conditioner. Oh, this is conditioner. Okay, deep conditioner and the shea sealing butter from We Natural to just condition my hair. Then I'm going to leave my hair in this same twist and I'm going to bed. So maybe tomorrow I'll think of a better style to do to my hair, and that's it for me. I'm done with this treatment now. So guys, thank you for watching. As usual, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share my video. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.